Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy ng love life for March 2026. So, this is a general reading. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Do not message me for private readings. Just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can directly book for a reading sa aking calendar. Yung link nasa description or sa comment section. So, i-check nyo rin kung saan nyo to napapanood. I-check nyo yung profile, okay, nung nag-upload na to. Make sure na legit yung account. Ako yun kasi wala akong backup accounts, okay? So, Mr. Queen PH sa TikTok, lalong-lalo na meron niyang almost 70,000, 69K to 70,000 followers. So, kung mga kukonti lang yung followers, fake po yun kasi may mga nagnanakaw ng aking videos. Okay? So, let's see, Taurus, what's the energy para sa mga singles? Taurus singles. Taurus singles, what's the energy? Some of you, kakaalis nyo lang sa isang relationship, no? And alam mo yung feeling na malaya ka na. Alam mo yung feeling na marami ka nang pwedeng gawin. So, you are in the process of exploring new possibilities and new opportunities. So, yung iba sa inyo masaya kayo na natapos ang isang relationship because you know na mas marami ka pang pwedeng ma-experience. Like, freedom. Yan. Okay, let's see naman para naman sa mga in a relationship. If you are connecting with someone, situationship, what is the energy? Taurus love life. Para sa mga in a relationship. What's the energy? Okay. Some of you, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo may asawa kayo, no? I see na merong issue sa family, no? Pwedeng family ng partner mo or family mo na maaring merong misunderstanding or kumbaga hindi okay, hindi nagkakasundo, no? Yung family mo tsaka yung person mo or family ng person mo at saka ikaw. So, ngayon, you are trying to work things out with your person. But I think isa ito sa nagiging parang tension sa family, sa connection ninyo. Yeah. 10 of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng gusto nyo bumukod or yung bang tipong ayaw nyo na pinapakialamanan kayo ng family ng person mo or vice versa. Some of you want to migrate, to go to another place and focus on your relationship. And I think naman, yung person mo or, pareho kayo, naiintindihan nyo yung situation. Maaring, syempre kasi mahirap rin kasing, i-disregard ang family, no? Family ng person mo, family mo. So, I think, mas pipiliin nyo ngayon yung connection nyo, yung relationship nyo, yung family nyo, especially kung meron na kayong mga anak. Oo, na yun yung priority nyo na. Pwede rin kasing yung family ng person mo or family mo is going through some challenges na naaapektuhan yung relationship ninyo. But I think that this is going to, somehow help you na mas maging matatag yung relationship ninyo because ayaw nyo na magaya sa sitwasyon ng kanya-kanyang pamilya, no? Like sa parents ng partner mo, sa parents mo, kung may mga issues, may mga problema. So, kumbaga, natututo kayo doon sa napagdaanan or challenges na pinagdadaanan ng parents or in-laws. So, ngayon, parang gusto nyo na iba yung tahaki ng inyong relationship na mas tahimik, mas buo, mas focus. You want to protect your own family actually. have faith. Trust your faith in this situation. Ayan. So, definitely, kung ano man yung mga conflicts, challenges within the family, extended family, some of you are praying for that na maayos. And, maayos din naman yan in time. And for some of you, you will just focus on what you can control, which is your own family. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.